Comparatives. Comparatives are used to compare two elements of the same category. When we talk about categories, we are talking about people, animals, objects, or places. When we want to compare elements, it is necessary to use adjectives. An adjective is a word that gives a description of a noun. It means that gives us a characteristic of a noun. Some examples of adjectives are interesting, beautiful, lazy, tall, short, good, etc. In English, we will have three types of comparatives. Comparatives of superiority, in which we will have 5 specific cases. Comparatives of equality, that use the structure as adjective as, and comparatives of inferiority, that use the structure less adjective than. To start with, we have the comparatives of superiority. It means that one of the elements is superior than the other. To make this kind of comparatives, we will have 5 different cases. Case number 1. When you have a one-syllable adjective, it is necessary that you add ER at the end of the adjective. For example, fast, faster, young, younger. My father is taller than my sister Patricia. Case number 2. When you have a one-syllable adjective, but this adjective finishes in consonant, vowel, consonant, it is necessary to double the last consonant and add ER at the end of the adjective. For example, big, bigger, hot, hotter. Santa Marta is hotter than Tunja. Case number 3. When you have an adjective that finishes in Y, it is necessary to change Y for I and add ER at the end of the adjective. For example, happy, happier, crazy, crazier. Carolina is lazier than my friend Lucas. Case number 4. When we have a 2 or more syllable adjective, it is necessary that we use the expression more and the normal adjective. For instance, more famous, more beautiful. A Lamborghini is more expensive than my car. Case 5. In English, we will have some irregular adjectives. These irregular adjectives are not going to use any rule because they have their own way. For example, good, better, bad, worse, far, farther, or further. My math exam result is better than my history exam result. A Nokia mobile phone is worse than an iPhone 11. La Guajira is farther than Bogota. The second type of comparatives that we will have are comparatives of equality. It means that one element is equal to another element. To make this type of comparatives, we use the form as, adjective as. In this kind of comparative, the number of syllables is not important. A cat is as tender as a panda bear. To finish with, we have our last category of comparatives, comparatives of inferiority. In this case, it means that one element is inferior than the other element. And also, in this part or type of comparative, it is not necessary to take into account the number of syllables. For instance, Bogota is less expensive than Dubai.